beast, sturdy and true. All the town folk gather to watch me and my beast come riding through. 3 dirt devils follow behind. They can smell my beast, but they are blind. So I dare not stop, I dare not hide. They're closing in upon this beast that I ride. Further from home, through the mountains and valleys I go. A loud roar with a Doppler effect, through the sagebrush it rolls. 3 dirt devils follow behind. They can smell my beast, but they are blind. And so I dare not stop, I dare not hide. They're closing in on this beast I ride. There's a salamander in my fire. Behind the dunes it's rumored an oasis where the water tastes of formaldehyde, but it opens your third eye, and the salamander will make it boil. So I'm gonna bottle it up and take it with me. I put on my gloves, I turn her on, and I ride. Down from the hills, I come riding on my beast, sturdy and true. All the town folks gather to watch. 3 dirt devils follow behind. They can smell my beast, but they are blind. Further from home, through the mountains and valleys I go. A loud roar with a Doppler effect. it rolls, followed closely by a whole host of tumbleweeds. Plethora of dust devils follows me. They can smell my beast, but they won't let me be. So I dare not stop, I dare not hide. They're closing in on this beast that I ride.
That way. Home on a range where the deers and the antelopes play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day.
Mio burro, my trusty steed. She's not pretty to look at, but she's all I need. Further from home, through the mountains and valleys I go. A loud roar with a Doppler effect. Through the sagebrush it rolls, followed closely by a whole host of tumbleweeds. Of dust devils follows me. They can smell my beast, but they won't let me be. So I dare not stop, I dare not hide. They're closing in on this beast that I ride.